Hey guys, it's Thanksgiving Day. Day we all be thankful and thank the Lord for all the good things we have. Me and Maggie back here in the woods. I'm gonna actually fry a turkey breast back here and make some stuffing and some cranberry sauce. But anyhow, I was gonna make a quick video and show you what some of this stuff does and how I'm gonna use it. Alright, that's just cool there. I got turkey in there. That's a thermometer that'll go down in this bush pot over here whenever I fry the turkey, so I can keep a check on the heat of the oil. But I got some butter in there for the whatever I need it for the stuffing. I got cranberry sauce. There's a 3-pound turkey breast. And I have nothing in this compartment here. I usually put stuff, yeah I do. I got an extra little cable back there for if I have to charge anything. This here is the same kit. Y'all saw a video of it earlier with it all packed up. This is the spoons in it. Pull the wood spoons out. There's the little stove you can cook on. There's the cup with the fold-out handles. Here's the lid to it. There's the bottle. And then I've got some stuff in here. I don't even remember what I got in here. I don't think it has anything to do with cooking the turkey though. It's just stuff I stored in that pocket. Little solar rechargeable radio. It's got a solar panel on it. You can recharge it. It's also got a crank handle you can charge it. It's got rechargeable batteries in it. Nice little radio. I love that thing. It's a Cato Voyager. It's got AM, FM, shortwave, weather band. It's got flashlights on it. The back side of this has lights on it that'll light up an area. Love that radio. Had that for a while. That's just the cup. You've seen that. That's the alcohol stove. That's just a can. Can't even remember what I brought that can for. It's old Seresto Fleet Car can. This here is just to set stuff on. Put some tinfoil on top of it. If I need to build a fire and heat anything up with that. That way I don't burn the table. Which this table I'm gonna replace these treated 2x10s anyhow. I ain't really worried about it. I just didn't want to burn it up. That's a propane stove. These fold in so it's more compact. That's a nice little stove right there. I love that thing. That there is. That's for after dinner refreshments. That's a bush pot. Got some stovetop stuffing in there. Got some candy jams, a can opener, some coffee. I don't even know what that is. Spoon and fork. That's just a little can. I think it's got like some fire starters and stuff in it. Little Pathfinder frying pan. A little eating salt and pepper. Stainless steel to scrub it out with. Another little frying pan. Non-stick. Cooking oil. Turkey breast injector to give it some flavor. And I don't think y'all ever seen this here. This is an Anchor solar panel. This thing is made. You can hang it on a tree, hang it on the back of your backpack, whatever. It folds out. And you can charge your batteries and charge your phone and all on it. It's got a little battery control, charge controller in there. You can already see it's putting out a charge from just this little bit of sun. I ain't got it hanging in the sun. But anyhow, this little thing is nice. I love it. That's just the cart. I brought this stuff back in the cart, and most of it kind of all nests together, and I could have fit it in the backpack. I just didn't want to hump it back here. It was easier to just pull that cart. But anyhow, I'll probably make separate videos when I get going. It'll help me with editing and instead of trying to do everything and make one solid video. So when I get the turkey frying and get stuff cooking, I'll probably make another video to put in the same post as this one. And you can watch it if you want to. If you don't want to watch it, you ain't got to. All right, guys, me and Maggie are gonna cook us some food because we're hungry and we want some turkey. Y'all have a good Thanksgiving, and I hope you have a good Christmas coming up. We'll talk to you later. Maggie, say bye. Okay, guys, that's about right there. I'm gonna show you here. It's up to about 280 or so, and it's climbing pretty quick. I got this turkey. I've done injected it with the injection, and the less holes you put, the better. When you inject in the turkey, make a hole and move the needle around. It's got like 2 spouts coming out the end of the needle, and you pull it in and out a little bit and move it around. Less holes, the better. Hold your juice in. Which this is a turkey roast. It's dark meat and white meat wrapped up, and it's held together by that net. We just putting the net and everything in there because it's cotton, ain't gonna hurt nothing. I mean, you could fry it and eat it, it wouldn't hurt you, but it should cut off when we get done. Okay, and these stainless steel rods, y'all seen them earlier. I've got them made up like a hook where I can slowly lower this down in there. And something else I was gonna tell you, I had that turkey right there. I took it out of plastic and I put it back in the plastic netting and stuck it up in the fork of a tree and let it drain. And before I injected it, I patted it dry as good as I could, because water and hot grease do not react well. All right, let me lift this lid off, and I'm gonna slowly set this turkey down in there. And I'm gonna leave this rod coming out that point right there where there's a little hole, and it should just move the thermometer out the way. I may have to jiggle around in there some. And I'm probably gonna have to lower that flame down some because it's a little too hot. In fact, I think I just cut it off, but that's okay. I'll leave it off a second because I don't want it boiling over. I'll just let that hang like that. Put the lid. Sorry, I'm getting off with the camera. I'm grabbing stuff. I'm gonna put the lid back on here slightly. It holds the heat in better. And I can stick this thermometer right back down there inside the grease. Hold on, let me move this up some. Got the thermometer too short. There we go. Let the thermometer lay there like that. Keep a check on it. It dropped it back to about 275. Sorry for the filming. This would be better if I had a tripod and all that. I didn't want to bring all that. Now I gotta relight this because I turned it too low and turned it off. Get my lighter out. There we go. I want to turn it. I want to get it down kind of low to maintain the heat, but I don't want it to go out. I got this pan laying here because we had a little breeze out the southeast. But so now we're going to let that go a little while. Just keep an eye on that temperature. You want it. Let me see where I can get it, where I can show you. You want it up around 300. It'll take it a minute to get back there. Around 300, 325. And I'm probably gonna let it go for about 20, 25 minutes and check it. And I'll take that thermometer right there and stick it in the middle of the turkey to check the meat temperature. And I want that around, I think, 165, 170. I'd rather it be cooked enough than not enough. All right, guys, I'll get back with y'all when it's done. Okay, guys, it's been about 40 minutes. I think it took a little longer because this turkey roast may not have been installed as much as I thought it was, because I thought it in water, where you just keep the water, you know, like 45 degrees, and you add ice to it, and it thaws, you know, in 3 or 4 hours. But if I'd have brined it, it would have cooked quicker. But anyhow, I wanted to show you. Got the grease right at 325. It's been about 38, 40 minutes now. And I just checked the internal temperature a couple of minutes ago, and it was like 158. And it'll continue to rise after you pull it out. I'm gonna set it in this cling pan down here in the cling aluminum foil, and I'm gonna wrap it over the top with other aluminum foil, let it rest, finish cooking. So here we go. Let's see what it looks like. Take that and set that off to the side there. I'm gonna grab this and pull it out. Let it drain a minute. If that falls out, I don't care. All right, here we go. Looks good. It's gonna have a little bark on the outside. Anytime you fry a turkey, it's gonna have a little bark on the outside. In fact, a lot of people love that bark. I mean, I like it, but with my bad teeth and dentures, it's a little crunchy sometimes. But I'm gonna let that drain just a second right there. Then I'm gonna move it over, set it down here in this. I'll just leave all that hooked up for now. Come over here and get this. Wrap it on top. Real quick, go ahead and set this grease off because it don't need to sit there and keep cooking. I'm just gonna throw this grease away. I would maybe, if I was at home, save that for a little while and use it for something, strain it. But I'm just gonna throw it away in a little bit. It'll be good for after it cools off, it'll be good for the soil and all nutrients. But anyhow, I'll set that down there a minute and let it cool. All right, this right here, I'll set that to the side. Kind of push that down over it. Sorry for the filming, but I'm trying to do everything in film holding this camera. If I was set up with tripods and all that and different angles, I could do it better. All right, now, right here, while that was cooking, I went ahead and measured me out 1.25 cups of water. I used that Pathfinder cup because it's marked on the inside. I guesstimated what was close to 1.25 cups, which would be 8 ounces is a cup, 10 ounces a quarter. So I got that in here. If it's a little too much water, I can cook it off. And that's going to be for my stuffing. And I'll let that get melted and boiling. Turn the heat back up. Then I'll put my stuffing in and cook the stovetop stuffing. And I'll get back to y'all in a minute. I'll probably heat the yams up on that little alcohol stove right over there in this cup, because I ain't gonna heat the whole can up. But when we get done with that, we'll be ready to eat. The turkey will be rested a little bit, Let it sit in there covered up, finish cooking. Because that temperature will continue to rise. After you take it out that grease, I took it out probably about 160. So it's gonna rise another 7, 8 degrees probably. But anyhow, guys, I'll make one more video when I get it all done and ready. And me and Maggie get ready to eat Thanksgiving dinner. All right, hope y'all having a good Thanksgiving. Catch you in a minute. And there you go, guys, finished product. While the yams was heating up, I went ahead over to the pump with some sand and pump water and a little scrubber. Cleaned all that up. That's done. There's the turkey breast. There's Maggie. Maggie, come here. You want a piece of this? Come here. You want that? Get it? She's probably full because she's done ate about half of it. Get it? There she goes. But yeah, see the string and all come right off of it. So I'll cover that up with tin foil. And I got some baggies to take the leftovers home. But right now, I'm fixing to eat. So again, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And prayers for the National Guardsmen that got killed in Washington, D.C. This stuff's crazy. All right, y'all have a good Thanksgiving. Later.